Ollie is one of the 20% of guys that start going bald in their teens. In 2011, Wayne Rooney had a hair transplant. His operation and other celebs like him have made hair transplants less of a taboo, and they are now one of the fastest growing cosmetic procedures for men today.
How are you?
Yeah, good, thank you. Yeah.
How are you feeling?
Yeah, fine.
You happy with the hairline, the way it finishes?
Ollie and his surgeon Harris Hasib have to agree exactly where his transplanted hair will go.
From the side.
Yeah, I quite like that, yeah, just would like a few more hairs there.
This receding is not receding, it's natural.
I'd rather it be a little bit more straight, but not all the way around. It's like, oh, look at him, his straight hairline. But I want it to be a little bit more...
If you bring it forward slightly, it becomes feminine.
Obviously,
yeah. What I'm saying is, I think you have lost a lot, especially on this side, the temples, and I think we should address that.
Ollie has more receptors on his hair follicles than men who don't go bald. For reasons not known, the DHT triggers his hair follicles to shrink. As they get smaller, they produce weaker, shorter hairs. Within a few years, these have shrunk so much they are barely visible. But the hair at the back of Ollie's head doesn't have this problem. So these hair follicles will be implanted, one by one, in the bald patches.
Ollie?
Yeah?
Now you're going to feel a few sharp stretches, it's going to feel like bee stings.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, not a problem.
A local anaesthetic totally numbs the area, so the surgeon can cut out a strip from the back of Ollie's scalp.
To be honest, no, I'm just enjoying this situation right now. I'm tweeting the pictures to people. Facebook's going wild.
No, I'm going to put it on that tray first and run.
So if we do an estimate, girls...
Next door, Ollie's strip is dissected into individual hair follicles.
So from the strip, it's going into small slivers like this, and then cut around the follicle like so. To do all the cutting, I would say would take between two hours.
Meanwhile, the front of Ollie's head is being prepared with hundreds of tiny incisions, where each follicle will be inserted. 3 hours in, and Ollie's hair is finally being transplanted into his scalp.
Your hair's going in, it's amazing. Might be able to have a French plait after all. Never know. As long as I don't have a big shiny head anymore, I don't care.
95 to 97% of these hair follicles would take.
So the hair, like, will it just keep renewing itself as normal?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll go through the cycles again, but yeah, it'll keep doing it for the rest of your life.
Cool.
Alright, have a look.
Alright, okay. Oh wow, yeah. Yeah, what a difference, yeah, that's brilliant.
While Ollie can see the marks where the new growth will be, it will take months until he knows if his new hair has actually begun to grow.
You happy?
Yeah, very happy. Fantastic. It's been a completely pain-free procedure. I've really enjoyed it, and to have a result that you can visibly see as well is also, nice to see. So yeah, very pleased.